Hello and welcome to Accounting 261, where we will be investigating some tax research for this summer. I wanted to kind of walk you through our Blackboard, let you know how the class will be run, and just introduce myself as well. If you ever need to get a hold of me, you can reach me the easiest way. You go to faculty information is through this email. I do have a work phone number, but honestly, I rarely check that. So if you could just email me, I promise to get back to you quickly within 24 hours. I will send you emails also regularly just to make sure we're on track with everything, but please make sure whatever email you have set up through Blackboard is the one that you check, because this is the only email that I have for you, and that's the best way to communicate with each other. So some things I want to quickly walk through with Blackboard so we can get started is the syllabus. You can get that by checking on the syllabus tab. You'll see a couple of different things I've pulled out for you. First, the syllabus, which we'll go through. We will utilize this checkpoint database, which is available for free through the Harper Library. These are instructions on how to access that. I also have here just a regular template for a memo, which we'll be working on. And then for easy access, the course calendar, what you should be working on every week. Again, you will be getting emails and announcements daily or weekly through Blackboard to show you what you should be working on, because we do not go in order. You'll see we do chapter 1, chapter 2, then we'll jump to chapter 11, and we will not go through every chapter in this book. So some things I do want to point out. I'm going to jump over to the syllabus here real quick. A couple things I want to point out again. The book that we will be using, there's my email. The book that we'll be using is listed somewhere in here. Let me find that real quick. We only will be using the book and not the software. So if you find a used copy, you're more than welcome to purchase that. Here's the information. It's a Cengage book, Federal Tax Research, the 11th edition. Again, we will only be using the book, so if you find a used copy or want to rent a copy, that's fine, because we will not be using any software that goes with this. If you do have other courses that use Cengage, your best option is to buy the Cengage Unlimited, so you can get all of these Cengage books for one price. Some of the other things that from the syllabus that I wanted to highlight are how points will be awarded. We'll just do every chapter we will have a quiz and an assignment that you'll have to do, and then we'll have 2 discussion board posts that will give us some points as well. Let's see, some other things. I do want to make sure that you read all through this, just so you're aware of some of the other policies that we have at the college and for this class in general. So read through this, make sure you have any questions that you get back to me through email. Let's jump back now to Blackboard, and I want to walk you through what these weekly modules look like. So if you click here on weekly modules, you'll see every week is detailed as to what we're going to be working on this week. I'm going to jump to chapter 3 or week 3, which is chapter 11. You'll see the to-do list that you'll get also through the announcements and email, the learning objectives for each week. You'll also see then the instructions for each assignment. This week you have to do a memo. You'll have to submit your assignments through Blackboard. So they'll be done in a Word document. You save that Word document. You don't need to write any text submission. That's not necessary. What you'll do is just browse your computer to attach that Word document and then hit submit. And that's how I will get and view these assignments. And then again, each chapter, you will get a quiz. These quizzes are done through Blackboard. They're all 10 questions. 20 points each. You only have one chance to do this quiz, but they're not timed or anything, so just take your time. It's really just to make sure that you're getting what you need to out of these chapters. So that's basically it. Take a look through Blackboard. You'll see the discussion posts that we have to do. The first one's just an introduction. The other one goes along with chapter 6, which there is a link in that weekly module as well. So take a look around. You can expect this course to take up about maybe 4 hours per week. It is a 1 credit hour course, so that's what is expected, especially out of an 8-week class. If you're spending significantly more time than that, please let me know and we'll work something out. And again, if you have any questions, do not hesitate to call me. Thank you.